Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you need to open the car trunk. Open the trunk and remove the plastic cover. You can now access the rear of your light block. Remove the power connector board by putting pressure on the two locking studs. You can now access the light bulbs. To replace the light bulbs, push down and make a quarter turn. To put in the new bulbs, position the studs of the bulbs in front of the holes, push down and make a quarter turn. Put the board in position, making sure it is the right way round. Then, all you have to do is push down on the board. Put the rubber cover back on. To replace the light bulbs for the reversing spotlights and the fog lights located in the hatchback, unclip the plastic cover. Remove the power connector, pushing down on the two locking tabs. Now you can access the lights. To replace the light bulbs, push down and make a quarter turn. To put in the new bulbs, position the studs of the bulbs in front of the holes, push down and make a quarter turn. Put the board in position, making sure it is the right way round. Then, all you have to do is push down on the board. Put the rubber cover back on. Operation completed.